Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with chicken. Start by cooking 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 7 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain it well and rinse with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the macaroni from becoming mushy. It's crucial to cool the macaroni completely before moving on, ensuring a delightful texture in your salad. Next, let's prepare our chicken. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken breast, either shredded or diced into small, uniform pieces. This ensures every bite has a good balance of ingredients. A light seasoning of salt and black pepper will enhance its natural flavor. Just like the macaroni, make sure your chicken is completely cooled before mixing. Now for the heart of our macaroni salad, the creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 tablespoons of finely minced red onion. This combination creates a perfectly balanced, tangy, and slightly sweet flavor profile. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, gently fold the cooled macaroni and chicken into your creamy dressing. Add 1/2 cup of frozen peas and 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley for color and freshness. Mix everything until well combined. Cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.